Is Pakistan all set to host the Asia Cup 2022? I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad, we're going to see, is Rahul Dravid going to be India's coach for that Sri Lanka tour? And in the end, we're going to find out why has Greg Chappell said that Sourav Ganguly did not want to work hard and only wanted control during his tenure of captaincy. Hello everybody, welcome to News Tracker. This is the show where we keep you updated about everything happening in the world of cricket. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I hope all of you are doing well and keeping safe, which is the most important thing right now. And without wasting time, let's get into this video to find out what's making news in the world of cricket. Well, the latest cricket tournament to be affected by the rising COVID-19 cases is the Asia Cup. Now, the Asia Cup, of course, yesterday the statement did come out that it will not be happening this year. It was scheduled to happen next month in Sri Lanka. But because of the rise of COVID-19 cases in Sri Lanka, the authorities have decided not to go ahead with it. But this is not the first time that the Asia Cup has actually got postponed. It was postponed earlier from 2020 to 2021 because of the very same reason of it being because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, the latest news coming in terms of this is, if of course it has now been suspended indefinitely, it means that what is going to happen for the next 2 years. Now, keeping that in mind, the authorities have reportedly decided to have the Asia Cup back to back, which means that it will be held in 2022 as well as 2023. And if you're wondering what the venues are going to look like, well, reports are saying that it's going to be Pakistan hosting the Asia Cup for 2022 and Sri Lanka will be hosting it in 2023. Are you excited about these venues? Of course, it's a bad thing that it has been suspended indefinitely, but at the end of the day, we always have to look at the brighter aspect of it. So give me your opinion. If the Asia Cup was to be hosted by these two countries, what are you most looking forward to? Tell me in the comment section below. A gentleman cricketer who plays the gentleman's game, which is of course cricket. Only one name comes to everybody's mind, has to be Rahul Dravid. Now, under Rahul Dravid's coaching abilities, we have seen what the under 19 Indian team has managed to do in the past couple of years. And now the good news is, as per reports, Rahul will be, after all, coaching the Indian second innings stride, which will be going for that Sri Lanka tour. Now, one has to keep in mind that India's first choice of players or even coaches will be taking that tour to England for the World Test Championship final, followed by that England series. So in the period of June up till September, there was this particular question as to who will be stepping in for India to coach that second team, which will be going for that Sri Lanka tour. And as per reports, it's going to be Rahul Dravid now. And an official has confirmed to a media agency that this is the latest development. What has the official said? I'm going to be telling you in that particular statement. The official said the Team India coaching staff will be in the UK and it is best that the young team is guided by Dravid, as he has already worked with almost all of the India A boys. The comfort of the youngsters share with him will be an added advantage. Now, that of course is a big advantage, but what do you all think about Dravid coming in for this particular tour? Do you think it's going to also make a big difference for them in that particular series? Definitely share your opinion with me in the comment section below. From match fixing to ball tampering scandals and of course coaches and cricketers not getting along, we have seen all these kind of dark episodes in the world of cricket. Now, one episode in the world of cricket which is, one of those incidents that we can still recall till today, it has to be Greg Chappell and Sourav Ganguly having that clash way back then. But now Greg has once again, raked in on the past by making some new allegations against Ganguly, especially his captaincy style. What has he said? I'm going to be telling you. Now, this was of course during him, speaking in a podcast. Greg Chappell said the 2 years in India were challenging on every front. The expectations were ridiculous. Some of the issues were around Sourav being captain. He didn't particularly want to work hard. He didn't want to improve his cricket. He just wanted to be in the team as captain so that he could control things. Now, what do you all think about this particular statement in terms of even the captaincy that he is talking about? That he's trying to imply that of course Sourav just wanted the power of captaincy but did not want to work hard on his game. Of course, Sourav has proved in his tenure for Indian cricket and now of course also being the BCCI president. What do you all think? Is this statement required now, or do you think there's some unfinished business in that particular episode, which is why Greg also keeps making all these statements? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, दोस्तों, उसी के साथ ये वीडियो यहीं पर खत्म होता है. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, follow all our social media channels, and most importantly, if you're looking for the latest updates in the world of cricket and also some interesting stories from the world of cricket, do not forget to subscribe to Cricket Tracker. I will see you very soon. My name is Nivedana Prabhu, and until I see you next time, like I always say, do not forget to wear your mask when you step out, stay safe, stay in your houses, and only step out if it's necessary. Take care. Bye-bye.